Hi, my name is Meenal Kelker, and this is my fourth installment in my healing journey from having a really nasty cough and congestion. Um, and so this is the last installment, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the question, when is a cough more than a cough? And it dawned on me a week ago through all of this whole process, this self-healing process, that here I am, a mind, body, spirit educator, and I've been dealing with this cough as if that's all it is. And so I took the opportunity to really step back and to look at the emotional components that were involved in this, the mental components that were involved in this, my belief systems, and to really step back and look at to see whether there's an overall pattern involved. And I realized there is. My pattern is burnout. Um, I experience it usually as mental burnout, but hey, having a nasty cold that's had me flat on in bed for over a week, not once, but 3 times in 4 months, and it's not even flu season, um, is telling me something that that's actually physical burnout. And so I really took this opportunity, this healing process, to say, what can I do differently? Because I keep doing it to myself. And so I've shared in my other videos what I've started doing differently. But what I wanted to share in this video is I'm committed. I am now inspired um, to create my life differently, to be a model for women who don't want to be in that cycle of burnout anymore. To be a model for women, both in their personal lives as well as in their professional lives, to create a new way of being, one that prioritizes self-care, one that creates and gives to others from that place of first being full. And so it's actually kind of scary to even say that because it feels so foreign at this point. I've lived 43 years living another way of being and living the burnout cycle. And so I'm scared at saying that, but I'm also excited at saying that because I know what that old path leads to, and I'm tired of it. I'm just sick and tired of it. And so my only option right now is to do something different. So even though I'm scared, I'm taking steps forward, um, and I'm feeling a lot of ease around it. And so that excites me even more. So stay tuned. I won't be doing any more videos on this part of my healing process, but I will be doing more videos on my journey as a whole. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to rate and comment on this video, um, on your own cycle of burnout and what have you done for yourself to get out of it. And I welcome you to my personal and professional journey.